What is transmission media? Transmission media is a communication channel that carries the information from the sender to receiver. Data is transmitted through the electromagnetic signals. The main functionality of the transmission media is to carry the information in the form of bits through LAN. LAN means local area network. It is physical path between transmitter and receiver in data communication. In copper-based network, the bits in the form of electric signals. In a fiber-based network, the bits in the form of light pulses. In OSI, that is Open System Interconnection phase, transmission media supports the layer 1. Therefore, it is considered to be as a layer 1 component. The electrical signals can be sent through the copper wire, fiber optics, atmosphere, water, and vacuum. The characteristics and quality of data transmission are determined by the characteristics of medium and signal. Transmission media is of two types: are wired media and wireless media. In wired media, medium characteristics are more important, whereas in wireless media, signal characteristics are more important. Different transmission media have different properties such as the bandwidth, delay, cost, and ease of installation and maintenance. The transmission media is available in the lowest layer of the OSI reference model, that is physical layer. The following diagram shows the classification of transmission media. In the above diagram, transmission media is divided into two types, that is guided media and unguided media. Guided media again classified into three types, that is coaxial, fiber optics, twisted, and unguided media again classified into three waves, that is radio waves, microwaves, and infrared waves. Coaxial cable, again guided media classified into three types. These are coaxial, fiber optics, and twisted. But the coaxial is again classified into two types, that is a baseband and broadband. Fiber optic has only one, that is twisted pair, again classified into two, that is unshielded and shielded. Guided media, it is defined as the physical medium through which the signals are transmitted. It is also known as a bounded media. Types of guided media: twisted pair. Twisted pair is a physical medium made up of pair of cables twisted with each other. A twisted pair cable is a cheap as compared to other transmission media. Installation of the twisted pair cable is easy, and it is lightweight cable. The frequency range for twisted pair cable is from 0 to 3.5 kHz. A twisted pair consists of two insulated copper wires arranged in the regular spiral pattern. The degree of reduction in noise interface is determined by the number of turns per foot. Increasing the number of turns per foot decrease noise interface. The diagram shows the twisted pair. Here, one is the jacket, and twisted pair means two guided media are twisted to each other. Types of twisted pair, again, that is a unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. Unshielded twisted pair and unshielded twisted pair is widely used in telecommunication. Following are the categories of the unshielded twisted pair cable: category 1st, category 2nd, category 3, category 4, and category 5. Category 1 is used to telephone lines that have low speed data. Category 2, it can support up to 4 Mbps. Category 3, it can support up to 16 Mbps. Category 4, it can support up to 20 Mbps. Therefore, it can be used for long distance communication. Category 5, it can support up to 200 Mbps. Unshielded twisted pair, it is a cheap. Installation for the unshielded twisted pair is easy. It can be used for speed lag. Disadvantage: this cable can only be used for shorter distance because for attenuation. Shielded twisted pair. A shielded twisted pair is a cable that contains the mesh surrounding the wire that allows the higher transmission rate. Characteristics of shielded twisted pair. The cost of shielded twisted pair cable is not very high and not very low, and installation of STP is easy. It has a higher capacity and compared to unshielded twisted pair cable. It has a higher attenuation. It is shielded that provides the higher data transmission rate. Disadvantage of shielded twisted pair, that is, it is more expensive as compared to UTP and coaxial cable. It has higher attenuation rate. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is a very commonly used transmission media. For example, TV wire is usually a coaxial cable. The name of the cable is a coaxial as it contains two conductors parallel to each other. It has a higher frequency as compared to twisted pair cable, and the inner conductor of coaxial cable is made up of a copper and the outer conductor is made up of a copper mesh. The middle core is made up of a non-conductive cover that separates the inner conductor from the outer conductor. The middle core is responsible for the data transferring, whereas the copper mesh prevents from the EMI, that is the electromagnetic interface.